Hey everyone, Trina here, back with another mixed media art video. Today we're going to be working in Sketchbook. I'm just going to get started. I had an idea for a piece that I wanted to make that involved these printed pieces of tissue paper that I did for a couple videos ago, and I had an idea on how I wanted to try to use them. That's a little different than stuff that I normally do. So that we have the marks, I'm going to go back in with some pretty bold marker. This is just a permanent marker. And I want to create, we're going to do this pretty quickly. Now I'm going to glue these down, these pieces down. So I'm just going to lay these papers down. Get a good seal on them. Not terribly transparent, but I just kind of, I don't know, I played with this technique like back in college. I did a whole series of, I don't like that. I did a whole series of tissue paper paintings, and it just I sort of forgot about them because that was forever ago. And I've been feeling that the way I've been working lately, that this might be something that I could pursue again, add to. You know me, I'm always doing something different. And someday, maybe, I might actually make a piece of work that on canvas, but I don't paint on canvas very often anymore. I prefer working on paper, but okay. I'm going to go in with this brownish orangish color that I've used before. These are the Art Deco from Kuretake, or Art Nouveau, sorry, Art Nouveau. And I'm just going to add in some marks here. I'm liking these fall colors that I've kind of been in. It's amazing how your palette reflects your surroundings. Things are so colorful right now where I live, here in Kansas, and I think that's why you see the palette changing. So be prepared. It's going to be winter soon, and the palette gets a little dark. Okay. So I'm going to go in with this quinacridone nickel azo gold from Golden. This is from a set of paint, and these colors are incredibly transparent, and this is kind of what I wanted to work on right here. It's very similar to that color, to the watercolor we just added, but look how pretty that is. It's just gorgeous. It's a gorgeous color. And super transparent. So now we have these waves of green and gold. I want to go back in with, you can't really see it because it's very messy. This is the magenta color. I said this on another video that I've had these for a long time, and they last for quite a long time. But I might be ready for another set of them here soon because they're getting kind of, maybe just these two colors. I'm going to go back in. Is that dry? Let me dry that first. Okay, let's add in this magenta color here. Look how that just pops everything. So pretty. I'm obsessed with these colors right now. In case you can't tell, I've used them in, I think, the last 3 pieces that I've made. I love how you can add, what if I mixed them together? What if I mixed the azo and the magenta together. What do we get? Oh, that's interesting. Let's try that. That's a nice color too. Kind of the mix of both of them together. I want some vertical marks. We're just gonna add some of those in here. And then we need something on top of it, so we're gonna have to think about what we're gonna do next. I think I wanna add some white on top of here. I just dried this, by the way, just so you know. This is one of my Princeton wedge tools. And all of these tools will be linked in the description, so you can take a look if you want to get them for yourself. I like this one because it gives you a really cool line that you can make fatter or skinnier. It makes good marks. This just to lighten it up a little bit. I like how it made some contrasty lines there. I don't want too much of it. I maybe want to put some right up here though. And maybe, oh, that's kind of nice. I don't know why I like that, but I do. Okay. Kind of feels like it's rolling prairies now. I'm going to go back in with this Caran d'Ache Sahara Yellow. Add some highlights. Be a little careful because it's not completely dry. Just little pops of color here and there. And some down here. What I also want, I think I'm going to go back in with this Caran d'Ache English Red as well. Just to make some bolder marks down here at the bottom. Ooh, I like this pumpkin orangey thing we got going on here. I like that. Might need a little up here too. And then last one, I think instead of black this time, oh no, let's go with the black. Let's find a black. Back to the Inktense Ink Black, our favorite, my favorite, our favorite, my favorite. Just add some really bold black, I think. You gotta have some black marks to be distinctive. I don't want this to get too busy. It's pretty busy already, but I'm a maximalist, not a minimalist. I feel like it needs something over here. And yeah, I think that's it. Quick tutorial today. I just wanted to play around, like I said, with those papers. I'm going to go in a little closer here. You can see kind of what we did. I should have left a little bit more like blank space, and I'm going to work on that, like leaving a little bit of the paper showing. But I like what we have going on here, and I really like this part up here. I love this pink and the greens together with the burnt orange. I think that kind of has a feel of landscape that I was kind of trying to go for. Overall, pretty happy with it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the video to the left for another mixed media tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye.